So I get hit up all the time about Toyota race engines. Well, here's a rare one. This is the Toyota 503E. It was used by Toyota in the championship season in the IMSA GTP, GTO, Pikes Peak, Le Mans, and in the mid-90s Japanese Touring Cup Championship. This engine right here is complete, everything inside, except it has a hole in the valve cover. That's just how TRD did it. They used to smash the hammer on the valve cover when they're done with the engine, so that in hopes that nobody else will use it. But here it is. Anyways, here's another engine, another 503E. So the external pieces on this one's complete, including a good valve cover, but there's no internals in this engine. So between two engines, you can put it together and make the engine run. There's the extra exhaust manifold down there, as you can see, another 503E stamped right there. So these engines developed over 1,000 horsepower in qualifying tune, 800 horsepower in sprint race tunes, and 600 horsepower for endurance race tune. There's a turbo, and there's the other exhaust